Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking on PNC Bank requirement. PNC Bank's checking accounts, such as the Virtual Wallet, Performance Spend, and Performance Select, typically do not have a minimum deposit to open. However, to avoid monthly service charges, you must meet certain balance requirements or other criteria. For the Virtual Wallet, a monthly service charge of $7 can be waived by maintaining a combined average monthly balance of $500 or more in your spend and reserve accounts. For the Virtual Wallet with Performance Spend, the $15 monthly fee is waived if you maintain a $2,000 average monthly balance in your spend and reserve accounts. The Virtual Wallet with Performance Select has a monthly fee of $25, which is waived if you maintain a $5,000 combined average monthly balance across your spend account and up to 8 other linked PNC checking accounts. PNC also offers a Virtual Wallet student account with no monthly service fee for up to 6 years and no balance requirement. For savings accounts, like the standard savings account, the $5 monthly service charge is waived if you maintain a $300 average monthly balance. With that said, thanks for watching.